What's up, YouTube? We back out of another video. We back out of another reaction. Next up, we got V Rainy Days official music video. That being said, let's get straight into it. Man, what that say?
I'm thinking about what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Bro, he in his bag.
It's like rainy days. I'm thinking about what to say.
Bro, I just listened to the other song. Bro, this dude coming back to back.
Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
He holding it down for BTS, bro.
Hoping for your call lately. I've been on my own, baby. Isn't it
His dog raw.
Haven't changed, it's still the same. Where's the achievement of shit? Can we go back to the moment again? Yeah, rainy days. I'm thinking about what to
Bro, they stuff so catchy. You feel like you know the lyrics already. You don't even know it.
Rainy days, like rainy days. I'm thinking about
what kind of building is he in? It's really hard.
Right back to you. Rainy days, like.
Bruh. He woke me up a couple songs ago, but he just keep getting like better. I feel like every BTS gets better each song, bro. It's like they don't have a best song. Like I got my top 5s and top 10s, but they don't have a best song because it's like even though that's my top 5 and top 10, they have stuff that's better in just different ways though.
Remember how I used to make you love the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over. We can start it over. 너는 나의 make clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch. I remember your kiss. 그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking
yeah, he for sure holding it down right. Why they not all together yet?
Find the way right back to you. Rainy days, like rainy days. I'm thinking about you.
I love how they got their own style and own flow, own voice on everything.
Rainy days, like.
That was V Rainy Days official music video. Man, bro, I listened to the Love Me Again. Now I'm listening to Rainy Days, bro. He's holding it down. I keep saying that, but it's the truth, bro. He coming with some fire shit, bro. Like I said, they don't sound alike. And then, bro, like some people be like, oh yeah, you reacted to BTS. How I'm like, yeah. They like, yeah, he raw. Who is he? Like, people be thinking BTS is one person. Like, I'll be like, bro, like, it's not just one person. But they all just so raw. And, like, I kind of don't understand how you think it was one person. But that's how you know, like, bro, BTS, they like, oh, yeah, he raw. But they probably hearing different artists each time and still like them, bro. And that's how you know, bro. BTS is fucking great. Nothing less. Man, bro. I just can't wait for them to all be back together. It's gonna be a fucking good time, bro. They first song, I might stream it. I might do something, bro. I gotta do something big. I know it's gonna take a while, but the wait is worth it. Yeah, man. I gotta start packing to get to my trip. I don't want to make this too long. I love y'all. Like I said, I'm sorry for the wait on my videos and everything. I've been pretty busy. But yeah, man, I'm gonna drop these videos for you guys, and more videos coming. With that being said, like, comment, subscribe, share, turn the post notifications on so you guys do not miss the next video, and we on to the next.